Lord Invocatus serves as a member of the World Eaters Legion during the era Indomitus. Known as the Winged Axe, Khorne's Thunderbolt, and the Horseman of the Apocalypse, this berserker rides atop the Khornic juggernaut, Khal Gurath, won in a bargain with the demon G'Kor. Surviving the trial, known as the Road of Eight Blood Steps, his reward of the steed would require donning the Bloodstorm Helm, which is tethered to the beast's will. The relic allowing Invocatus to also perceive any hidden foe, the heartbeats of even the calmest of enemies cannot hide from the gaze of this imposing warrior. Leading Bloodcrusher charges supported by hordes of berserkers, Lord Invocatus has won many glories for the Blood God, including his assault of the Watch Fortress within the Ebon Vale alongside the Brazen Beast's warband. Fighting beside the demon engines of his allies, Invocatus claimed myriad relic weapons from the Death Watch, their reliquaries laid bare in the wake of this champion of the Lord of Skulls. Leaving hundreds of corpses in his wake, the resurgence of a Hrud infestation would further diminish the Death Watch's presence within the Ebon Vale. The wrath of Invocatus persisting to this day, only the mightiest of warriors may prove worthy of unsaddling this warrior from his fell beast.